How do split billing software and contract pharmacies solve these challenges?
You don't have to have split billing software if you want to go old school and you want to have separate physical inventories. That's probably not realistic today on how complex our healthcare systems are. If you look at a lot of the hospitals, many of the hospitals are located in very refined areas. They don't have a lot of space, and so therefore having two duplicated separate physical inventories, one for 340B and one not for 340B, it's just not realistic. So one of the things the software systems do is, one, I mentioned how complex this program already is, right? There probably needs to be some kind of automation and technology involved where you have the rules built into systems to support compliant operations. Relying on frontline staff like pharmacists or technicians to pick drug from the right shelf. Invariably, if there's no drug on one shelf and there's drug sitting right next to it on the other shelf, they're going to take care of the patient. So you can imagine what happens. So the advantages of using the split billing software, it allows virtual inventory tracking to occur and replenishment to occur, and it actually makes all of this infrastructure and stuff for the pharmacists, it's blind to the pharmacists. They can focus on taking care of patients. Technicians, for the most part, can focus on taking care of filling prescriptions and all of that, so you keep patients moving within your system, you focus on patient care, and then management can build the infrastructure and the support behind the scenes to run compliant pharmacy operations. So that's why the systems, or the split billing systems, are so important. Don't have to have them, but it's probably a best practice to have them. And again, we have tools on our website on what kind of features to look for in a system, because not all systems are the same. Some do a much better job of compliance than others in supporting compliance. Some are more flexible and customizable than others. Just depends on what company you're working with.